Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to use, I guess, a grease gun, and then also, at the same time, how to grease a ball joint. This is the one I'm trying to do here. I don't know if you can see there on the bottom. It has that Zerk nipple. And let's start off first by putting this thing together. I don't know if you can see here, I already took this off, but it goes basically like that. And then here is the grease. So you can probably pop it out and see how it looks like inside. And it even tells you there that this, insert this end first. So let me just get this thing ready so I can start greasing the ball joint. Okay, so here's the grease, I guess, canister getting ready to load. So I took off the other side and then I'm going to slip it into that canister there. Okay, so there's the grease gun all ready to go. And then you can see there the tip. I'm going to do it with one hand, it's going to be kind of weird. You basically attach it to that nipple. Let's see if you can see that nipple on there. Yeah, you kind of attach it on there. I'm gonna need two hands for this, but basically it grabs onto it. I don't know if you can see how the groove is on there. Let me see. It's kind of weird, but you know what I'm talking about. It attaches onto there, and then you start pumping it with the grease. You do have to prime it first, though. Make sure the grease starts coming out from here, so it won't be just air just going through. So you kind of just basically press it a couple of times until it starts coming out. Then it's going to be ready to go. And when you fill it up, I don't know if you can see there, the ball joint is kind of like flat. It starts getting a little bit bulgy. That's how you know the grease is getting in there. And when it starts bulging, that's when you stop, because you don't want to put too much for it to pop out. So let me go ahead and do that and then show you how it looks like before the ball joint and then after I fill it up with grease. Okay, so now I just wanted to show you this. The grease is already coming out, so that's when you know it's ready. A couple of grease came out more than usual, but it's ready. It's not going to be pumping air in. So now you just attach it to the Zerk nipple and then start pumping it. So you see it does attach. You have to kind of look inside. I don't know if you can see that little thing in there. It has to attach and then be basically get in there and not be able to move back and forth. I'll probably attach it and then show you. Okay, I just attached it and I just wanted you to see it's on there. It's not moving. It's not coming off. So it does do like a little kind of like a snap. I wish someone was recording me, but that's how you know. You leave it basically hanging there in midair, you know it's attached, and then you start pumping. And like I mentioned before, you keep an eye on that ball joint, and as soon as this blue thing, in my case, starts like swelling up, you stop. You don't want to fill it up too much, because then it could explode and then it messes up the ball joint. Okay, so now I'm done, and I don't know if you can see there from the picture, it's bulgy now. So it has the grease inside, and then on the bottom I just cleaned it up a little bit. I don't know if you can probably still see, yeah, a little bit of grease on the tip there. I'll just leave it on there for now. It should not come out at all based on that Zerk nipple. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine and check out my other videos for the Mustang as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.